Today I'm going to very quickly show you how to get free ringtones legally online, sent straight to your phone. Go to funformobile.com and then you have to sign up. I'm already a user, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, and once you've already signed up and everything, go to that little smiley face button right there. Takes you to the home page. And then you can look up tones, pictures, and videos. For example, I'm going to type in Flow Writer, and then all of his songs will show up. Sometimes it takes a while, it depends on what computer you have. And it won't always play it, but on some computers it lets you play it. Go ahead and send a phone. Type in your phone number or one of your friends' number right there. Right there. And then just select your carrier as, for example, Verizon Wireless, and then send. And it doesn't send anything but ringtones, so you don't have to worry about junk text messages or anything. And that is how you get free ringtones.